Call Youth for Understanding at 1-800-TEENAGE. Have fun while you're learning.
It's been a year since the dragon boats were last seen on Portland, Oregon's riverfront. The excitement has never faded.
Number one. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, PCCB.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The dragon boats are a revered tradition in China and Taiwan. 4 of the brightly colored boats were brought to Portland as part of its sister city relationship with Kaohsiung, Taiwan. It's become an immensely popular feature of Portland's Rose Festival. There's color, culture, and competition. Each of these unique 38-foot-long craft weigh just under a ton. The dragon boats are powered by 16 paddlers, 1 drummer, a rudderman, and a flag snatcher, to snatch the finish flag, of course. The boats, while racing, resemble hyperactive centipedes. The tradition of dragon boat racing began more than 2,000 years ago. Groups of Chinese villagers rowed out onto a river in specially decorated boats to honor the memory of a respected statesman who leaped to his death rather than accept exile. Portland's tradition has a history of 2 years, not 2 millennia. The dragon boat races are the culmination of months of preparation. Claudia McDuffie is one of the organizers.
Oh, we do everything. From being coaches for the team, getting all the equipment and supplies, getting the kids down here after school, making arrangements with their employers for them to be off work, driving them back to work, everything.
The result of all that work is 2 days of races on the Columbia River, June 2nd and 3rd. As many as 48 teams registered to race, representing schools, corporations, yacht clubs, and the fire department.
We just won that one, so it's 37.
37.
Okay. We'll be, looks like, well, it's either Cleveland or Cohen and Wu.
Yeah,
Today's course is a little bit shorter than yesterday's, so today's time will probably be faster than yesterday's time, but our best time yesterday was 2 minutes and 5 seconds. But the fastest time is 2 minutes and 3 seconds. So we're right up there in the fastest time.
You're gonna win today?
Yes, we are.
Good.
But not long after the crowds have left River Place, the planning will almost certainly begin for a Portland team to represent Oregon this October in similar races in Taiwan, and for the 3rd annual Dragon Boat Race in Portland in 1991. This is the case.